It's 7 o'clock.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay. I'll stay. Just take a leap, but babe, we'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I'll stay, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
Have you ever seen a convertible Challenger before? X5M, M5, M5, M3. That was amazing.
Thank you!
On that note, thank you guys for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed, maybe give a like, and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. If you want to see our previous video, click here. If you want to see another video, click here, and click in the middle to subscribe to our channel. See you next week.